gmail.com.
Hello, guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and the location that you are watching this video from. And for the sake of my new subscriber, if you are new here, this is Tracy Reality. Tracy Reality is a Nigerian YouTuber based in Delta State, Abraka to be precise. So after today's work, I was so confused, and I don't really know what to eat, what to cook, what to buy. Like, I was confused. Even when I went to the woman shop, I was just standing looking. The woman was like, what do you want to buy? I said, Mama, I don't even know what I want to buy. She was now laughing. She said I should just check around, look around. I said, I'm seeing everything that you are saying, but I don't really know what to eat. Is it eba that I will eat, I will buy, or rice, or I was just tired. So last I I just opt for yam, because at least that will not consume my money. It's economical. So I bought one tuber of yam for 1,900 naira after so many negotiation. She said she's selling it for 2,500. I said, madam, I don't have 2,500. So she later sold it for me for 1,900 naira. So I bought fresh pepper 500. I bought ugu 400 naira. I have oil at home. I have the other things. Then I buy dried fish 500 naira. So I want to know in the comment section if you guys normally experience this this people experience this you have the same encounter with me. Maybe sometimes you don't know what to eat, you don't know what to cook, like you will just be confused. So I say, let me just share my experience with you, and if you have experienced it before, please let me know at the comment section. Okay, so I just finished peeling my yam, and my sister will be helping me to prep the remaining ingredients. So keep watching, keep showing your girl love. Don't get out of watching my video. Okay, like and also comment. Don't forget to like. Thank you, and God bless you. Oh God, this people, literacy no good. Yes, now. If they do something with person not good, 149. They transfer already. So if you just go feel come, make the authorize that. Yeah, I don't say. I say I bet. No cancel. No authorize this one. So I don't like it for. Oh, I won't want it. Good for you. I want more food. I want so Baba. Man, they will get it down. Sophie, Baba does it. For what way, because when I was a gaga, I can't let them do not know. Tomorrow I never see my TikTok. Where to the way I move that. So that I say this to my mama. Make I live a bit to take you. You first. That's not my work. So you to I hear you when you're running on the other you. I come out they treat you well. No. Ugo, I don't know my God, so. Yeah, didn't people that. No, man, not saying. All like cool, you could pay for 200. Hi guys, good evening guys. So I'm back from work and we are preparing yam porridge. Okay, so if you are new here, this is Tracy Reality. Do as a subscriber. We are doing late night food. Okay. So the yam is on fire already, and my sister is prepping the vegetable and the pepper. So come along with me, okay? Thank you and God bless you. We are cooking late night food. Late night food is always my calling. I'm used to it. So come along with me. Thank you so much, okay? This ring light not gonna do the ring light too. Now they shine like that. This light self from the light now they shine well.
Like, it's like when they shine, when the main light not go shine. Like current.
Now the voltage, yes.
Last time,
No say God not dey go back to your word. Devil na person when God don't give power, so you know what to collect.
And also, outside and everything. Yeah, you know,
Okay.
I don't know, I don't know. Oh, my Lord. I'm not in a master.
Oh, and are you Yoruba?
Are you go?
Oh. Oh, okay, namaze. Muzo ndio kama brother wa yoni na miso.
Like your wife on the food period.
Na le ya ina go full pay because it's na go bring out.
I see my wife and go buy coffee or do this.
So I told you guys I'm going to ask our security man what happened to the barbed wire. Why is the barbed wire pulling? So the other day I saw him because mostly I normally go out in the morning. If I'll come back in the night, I don't even have time to go and ask him about the update. So the other day I was coming back from church and I asked him that what was going on with the barbed wire. Why is the barbed wire pulling? He now told me that that back of that our fence, our landlord built one, they carve out one space for dustbin, like a cubicle, and it has iron doors, so that we normally were throwing dustbin. So he now said that those boys, instead of them going like walking around opening the back gate to throw their dirt, they will not be doing they will not be throwing the dirt all over. So at the process of throwing that dirt, some of their doors dirt will hang on the wire. Maybe sometimes they will be using stick to remove it from there. Now that is why the barbed wire is losing alignment, and they have even destroyed the barbed wire. Even the other day that I went to throw away my dirt, my dustbin, I saw that even that particular spot that we have that dustbin, those barbed wire, they are down, and it's not really nice because of security purpose. So I told him to tell. I asked him to tell landlord. He now said, okay, but I don't think that guy will even tell landlord about the new development on that barbed wire, and that barbed wire is, and it's still working, because I remember that there was one day that I was holding one iron. My hand mistakenly, the iron mistakenly touched the barbed wire. The thing shocked me. So the thing shocked me. I don't know that. Say I didn't even know that that thing is working. No. So that is just the update, alright. So keep watching, okay? And I'm just let me serve my leftover pottage now. This is the remaining one. My sister have served her home to work. So this is the remaining one. I will see you guys. I'm almost ready for work. So I will see you guys later, okay? Thank you so much and God bless you. I really appreciate you guys for the support, for the massive love, and for the thoughtful comments. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm all set. This is my outfit for today. So if you are new, this is Tracy, this is okay. Do have to subscribe to my channel, like, okay, comment, thoughtful comments on this. So we're not going out. See you guys later. So when I get to the shop this morning, my girl was already here. She was waiting for me to just come and open. Then she will start her cleaning. So this is my girl cleaning already. I love her. I like her because she's always here. She's dedicated to her work. So last week she only came once. So this week now she'll be doing 3 times this week to make up for last week that she didn't come. I didn't even ask her why she didn't come. So long as she's making up for the one of last week, I don't have any problem with her. So this is her cleaning. She's almost done with the class. Let me just show you guys a little clip of her.